now with We Sell Typewriters brand typewriters. Write all the manifestos you could ever want with We Sell Typewriters typewriters. Take over the world with We Sell Typewriters typewriters. You're the belle of the ball and the king of the world with We Sell Typewriters typewriters. Look at Sandra here. She had nothing before her typewriter. She was bullied at school, mugged on every street corner, and no one could read her handwriting. But now, after her rich uncle died, she inherited exactly $125, and she was able to buy a We Sell Typewriters typewriters, and now everything is going A-OK. We Sell Typewriters brand typewriters are so much better than our competitors. With our specially designed WST type bars, you can go for centuries without the need for replacement parts. Why, you could type up the entire Bible. They're much more convenient to use, and they don't hurt your arms. Send a telegram to the address on the screen to order your very own We Sell Typewriters brand typewriter. And if you order now, you'll receive a WST brand explosive typewriter for free. They really explode.